This is our Envi window. We have opened Sentinel image as well as uh, Lancet, Lancet image. We are going to compute NDPIs, NDWI, NSDI, and other indices using either band math or spectral indices tool over here inside the band algebra. At first we can use this one, spectral indices. This computes the value of different several indices directly. We do not need to give the formulas and other band specification. It is automated algorithm, thus we have to do nothing. Just this is Landsat image KTM ref. I'm gonna use it at first. We should do nothing. This is now this gives the various indices. There are 36 indices. Among them we need to select the desired indices. First one, this enhanced vegetation index, and then I'm going to select another. We should press Ctrl to select more, the modified normalized different water index, and then we will go for build-up index, snow index, vegetation index, and other relatively, and one more, this one, world view water index. Okay, then we need to specify the location of the, and then this is assignment 2, and KTM underscore senti, sorry, this is Landsat. Okay, Landsat and KTM Landsat. Okay, this much. Assignment 2.create that. Okay, this much for, and okay, this will give the various indices, 6 indices. Okay, look, this gave the indices, and the display here, the displayed indices is what EVI. It displayed the topmost EVI over here, and we can just, this was our previous image, and this is the EVI. Then we can load other indices from here. This one goes here. This is water index modified MNDVI DWI. This is water index. You can see difference between water index and vegetation index. Similarly, I can load this one too, and this one also. Okay, the all the indices that we computed are stored in one file, one that file, Envi file. Then if we want them separately, then we can here, I think, export or save as. There might be some okay, we can do okay, let's leave that for now. We computed pages indices, and among here there is not, I think there is not NDW assignment. Let's look. Water index, uh, uh, is there build up? Yes, there is build up index. Snow index is also there. Vegetation index, world. uh, there is not water index, and we have to compute it uh, manually means using band math. Okay, at first we need to give bracket, then b1 minus, sorry, minus b2, sorry, b2, divide by b1 plus b2. Okay, here b1 and b2 doesn't refer to band 1 and band 2. We need to specify which band refers to band 1 and band 2. Then we will go for add to list and then okay, click here. It asks us to specify the band for b1 and b2. Now for normalized difference water index, we have to give it formula ndvi ndwi sorry, ndwi. It's nir minus swir. NIR. Okay, this is not the one. This is not the one. Okay, here B1 means NIR and then B2 means SWIR. Okay, we will use SWIR with wavelength 1.6. 1.6. Then this is the one. Okay, it asks us for location of the file. Then this is Landsat of Kathmandu, and this is ndwi.dat. This is the extension that is given for Envi. Okay, then we just okay. Okay, this is the ndwi value. We can, there is world view water index, this one and this one. There's quite difference. There is mndwi, I think, here or here. Okay, this is mndwi. This is like this, and there's slight difference between mndwi and uh, ndwi. Okay, this much. In this way we can compute all the indices from Landsat image and save separately. Either we can do using spectral indices tool over the band algebra, and or we can use band math and provide the respective indices. Okay, let's check for one thing. NDVI, we can check this for NDVI because the algorithm we can compare. Okay, now let's do it for B1 means NDVI means we will keep Landsat. This is KTM ref means this is Landsat. My ref Landsat means band 1 means NIR and band 2 means visual red. Okay, okay. There are many KTM Landsat. And what is the okay? Just KTM underscore and ST. Okay, this is NDVI separate file. Okay, I will give it one.dat. Then open this, and now we can okay. This is NDVI. Uh, where is NDVI? NDVI. Okay, we can check the difference in value using this cursor one. Landsat NDVI1, and there is one more file open here. Okay, there's no difference. We can see there the value is 0.566456. That means the algorithm identified the band separate bands correctly. Then okay, this is for Landsat image, and for we are going to, this is Sentinel image. Okay, now this is I can subset it. Okay, I will select again this one. In this case, Sentinel land layer stack.dat. Okay, then I will partially subset it with the Landsat image, that is KTM underscore ref. Okay, now I have selected the desired area. This will give okay. Again, this windows allows us to select various indices. I am going to select EVI, and then uh, modified normal difference water index, and then uh, NDBI, NDSI, NDVI, NDSI, and then last one water index. Okay, then I will specify its spectral indices. This is Sentinel. Oh, there is already one. No? Okay, okay. I'll give it little different name. There is one. Okay, that. Okay, this is an easy method. Uh, we should not take a lot of problems in specifying, identifying, but this doesn't have the option for NDWI, and NDWI for Sentinel image. NDWI is it's green minus NIR, green minus sorry SWIR. Okay, then okay, this formula will work for us, and it we can save it either, and we can save it here. Okay, it's in the says formula. Okay, this will save the expression, and we can either restore from here. This is assignment, oh sorry, results, which that results assignment to look. In this way we can restore the already pre-saved expressions, and then okay, now in this case I'm going to select Landsat. This is Sentinel. Oh, this one, this is not the one. KTM, this is Landsat, and this is not this one. Okay, and for NDWI we must give green, and green band is B3. B3 is green, and there is not spectral information over here. We should identify it with the wavelength over here, 5.6, 0.56, sorry, and then SWIR is 1.6, this one. Okay, sorry, there's quite mistake, because B1 is assigned to B3, and B2 is B2 should be assigned to B11 SWIR. It allows us what can I do as Sentinel KTM, not indices. This is in this case NDWI. Okay, NDWI. Okay, this much. Then it computes the NDWI. One more task. Let's check NDVI for this one. Okay, there is layer manager, KTM ref. This is not the this one. Sentinel KTM Lancet. This is Lancet. This is Lancet. Indices. Let's load NDVI. Okay, load grayscale here. Okay. We can. Sorry. We can. It here. Let's compute the NDVI. This is NDVI. Okay, NDVI again using band math. To check either the algorithm has correctly identified the bands or not. Then B1 we must NDVI. It's NIR. NIR for Sentinel is I think band 8 or what? Yes, it's band 8. Okay, band 8 is NIR, and band 4 is red. Then band 4 is red. Okay, it's Sentinel. Sentinel KTM and the what happened? It's okay. VI 1. that dat this much. Okay, then it will compute the value for us. It's quite different, no? What happened to it? The result came quite different. It's very different, and I think we gave NDVI v8 minus before. Okay, let's compute it again. It gives some b1 minus b2 b. Did any mistakes in identifying the band? Okay, then band math of this one. Okay, what did I give? Let's. This is not. This is Sentinel. Oh, sorry, I gave it. Sorry, band 1 must be it, and b2 must be. Here I give something different. That is not this one, red. This is blue. I gave it perhaps blue. Sentinel ndpi.dat. Okay, I will replace it. Again, same problem. b8 minus b4, b8 nir minus b4 665. What did I again give 3? Okay, let's check it again. Let's cross it. I get confused again. This one, b1 means b8. b1 must be b8. nir means 85, 842, 86. Okay, then b4 means, sorry, b1 means b8 and b2 means b4. Red when 0.6, 0.661. I don't know what Sentinel NDPA. Let's do this. The skip for full image, no? Oh, okay. Let's check it again. What happened to it? I think there's some mistake with my band selection. Or why it is giving. Oh, let's do it again. This one, okay. Not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. What happened to it? We want 865. It is NIR means 84. Okay, let's select this one for band 1. 865, 865. And there's and b2 for. Oh, let's partial sort it by map. Sorry, by file and KTM ref. Okay. Sentinel NDVI. Okay. Yes, let's replace it. This is completely different from what we computed from in this load trace. Okay, we better use the previous one. This one is better, and let's check the value. Now this is NDVI. We can do here statistics. Okay, there's quite difference. Minimum 0 to maximum. 86. That means, oh, sorry. What happened is that this is the procedure, but the Landsat Sentinel image is not corrected for reflectance. It gave us quite different value because it should not have reflectance value. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is the procedure. There was some error in Landsat, sorry, Sentinel image, because that was not processed correctly. Okay, wait for this statistics. Um, oh, the that is TN value, not reflectance value over there. That's why it gives some different result for the formula band math, and but it gave, I think, quite, it's not that much. Okay, this is the way how we can compute the uh, indices, various indices, and this much for today, I think. Okay.